Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are keeping well and enjoy my previous video. Welcome all to the third standard mathematics. In this video, we will learn about Unit 5 Time. Let us discuss what are the topics we can see in the video are how to draw the clock step by step, what is quarter past, half past and quarter to. How to draw clock hands for the given time. Find the time for the given clock hands. Calendar. Days of the week. Months in the year. How to use the calendar. Manufacturing and the expiry date. Find the difference between the manufacturing and expiry date. Before we start our lesson, we should know in olden days how the time is calculated by using shadow clocks. Let us see our topic. The shadow clock is used to tell the time based on sunlight changing direction and effects on a shadow. See the given picture. During the early morning, the shadow reflects on west side and it is long. During the midday, the shadow reflects on north and it is short. During sunset, the shadow reflects on east and it is long. Did you know why don't we have shadows at night? Because the night time is dark. Let us learn about types of clock. The first one is analog clock and the second one is digital clock. An analog clock shows the number from 1 to 12 with the three hands and you could find the minutes and it tells the time approximately. And the second one is digital clock or numerical display clock. It shows the exact time or exact minute in the numerical form. Let us draw the clock using simple steps. Draw the circular square shape with 12 gap strokes. In step 2, write the numbers 1 to 12 inside the clock. Look at the picture. At an outside, hour is given. At inside, minute is given. Each number 1 to 12 represent hour. The minute hand shows 1 it is 5 minutes, 2 it is 10 minutes, 3 it is 15 and so on. At last it shows 12. It makes 60 minutes. In step 3, we can draw minute and hour hand. Before that, you should know what is hour hand and minute hand. The second hand rotates very fast. It goes around the clock once. It makes 60 seconds. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. The large hand on a clock that points minute hand. It goes once around the clock and makes 60 minutes. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. The small hand on a clock shows hour hand. It goes once around the clock, which makes 12 hours or a half a day. As per the following given step, finally we can see the clock with the number 1 to 12 with the short and the long hand such as hour and minute hand. Let us see some example for day and night. We can wake up in the morning, eat our lunch in afternoon, sleep at night. These are our routine habits of day and night. AM start from midnight 12 o'clock to midday 11:59 and PM start from midday 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock. See the picture. AM means ante-meridiem and PM means post-meridiem. Student, look at the picture. An hour hand or short hand which may rotate twice a day. Student, did you know how many hours make one day? Yes, 12 plus 12, 24 hours make one day. Our next topic is what is quarter past, half past and quarter to. At the picture, the minute hand moves from 12 to 3 and faces 3 is called quarter past. The minute hand faces 3 and an hour hand faces 7. It is called as quarter past of 7. The minute hand or long hand faces 6. It is called half past. The minute hand faces 6 and an hour hand faces 9. It is called as half past of 9. The minute hand or long hand faces 9. It is called quarter to. See the clock. The minute hand faces 9 and an hour hand faces between 3 and 4. It is called as quarter to 4. The minute hand which places on 12, it is called as o'clock. See the picture. The minute hand is on 12 and an hour hand is on 12. It is called as 12 o'clock. We have already learned the minute hand shows 3 it is quarter past, for 6 it is half past, for 9 it is quarter to, and 12 it is o'clock. Did you remember minute hand? Let us do recap with two methods. The first one is stroke method and second one is multiply. See the given picture. The minute hand places on 10. In stroke method, we can simply write the answer as 10 minutes. By using multiplication method, the minute hand places on 2. We can multiply 2 into 5 and get the answer as 10 minutes. The time is 3 hours and 10 minutes. See another example. The minute hand faces 8. You can multiply 8 into 5 and we get 40. You can write answer as 40 minutes, or in stroke method it shows on 40. The time is 9 and 40 minutes. Let us learn how to draw clock hand for the given time. See the given picture. Draw the clock hand for 9:30 or half past of 9. At step 1, place an hour hand in 9. In step 2, place an minute hand in 6. Let us see another example, 9:45 or quarter to 10. Place the minute hand on 9 or 45 and place an hour hand in between 9 and 10. Let us learn how to find the time with the given clock hands. Look at the given picture. The minute hand places on 9. We can multiply 9 into 5 and we get 45. The minute is 45 and an hour hand places between 5 and 6. The time is 5 hours and 45 minutes or quarter to 6. Let us do some practice to write the time with the help of analog and digital clock. Digital clock shows numeric form, so write it as 12. In analog clock we write it as 12 o'clock. Children, some more examples are given for analog clock and digital clock for your kind reference. Our next topic is calendar. It is a system of organizing days in social, religious and in commercial purpose. With the help of calendar, we may know the date, days, weeks, months and the year. Let us learn days of week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. The 7 days makes 1 week. Date format. Here 2-digit DD represent date and 2-digit MM represent month and 4-digit Y represent the year. There are 12 months in a year. Let us see. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Let us learn about unit of time. 1 year has 365 days. 1 leap year has 366 days. 12 months make 1 year. 30 days makes 1 month. 7 days makes 1 week. And 24 hours makes 1 day. Let us see how to use calendar with the help of October 2018. To find the number of days in October, see the last row. 31 is present, number of days is 31. To find the number of Sunday, see the Sunday column. 7, 14, 21 and 28 are 4 Sundays. To find the last day of the month, we should know last date, that is 31, then move upwards, it is Wednesday. To find the 10th day, the date is 10, move upward, the day is Wednesday. Let us learn manufacturing and expiry date. What is manufacturing date? The product was produced and the date is printed on the label is called MFG date. What is an expiry date? An expiry date is used to inform the consumer, which tells about the last day of the product. Let us see some example. MFG represent manufacturing date and EXP represent expiry date. Sometimes MFG date is only given. How will you find the expiry date? By using best before label. Some examples are given for your practice. We can find the difference of manufacturing and expiry date. For the first item medicine, MFG date is 2/1/2019 and an expiry date is 9 months. You can write the same date and 9 months and the same year for expiry. To find the difference, you should subtract expiry minus manufacturing date. Let us deduct 2/1/2019 from 2/9/2019 and we get 8 months. For the second item honey, manufacturing date is 5/7/2017 and an expiry date is 8/9/2019. Let us write an expiry date first and manufacturing date in the given column and start to subtract. And the difference is 3 days, 2 months and 2 years.